Good morning. I, Sanjay Kumar, presents Commentaries on Living, written by Krishnamurty, Part 2. The light of reality and its bliss are destroyed when the mind, which is the seat of self, assumes control. Self knowledge is the beginning of wisdom. Without self knowledge, learning leads to ignorance and sorrow. Next, God and drink are on the same level as long as they are escapes from what we are. When we are aware of our escapes, only then can we know of our conditioning. Freedom from conditioning comes with the freedom from thinking. How necessary it is to die each day, to die each minute, to everything, to the many yesterdays, and to the moment that has just gone by. Next, the unknown cannot be experienced. Hate is a form of frustration, jealousy is hate. Next, without innocence, it is impossible to be happy. Fearlessness is not courage, but freedom from accumulation. Another important point is dependency always brings conflict and opposition. Fear is the ignorance of what is, and our life is spent in a constant state of fear. To get rid of something, you must understand it. Next, happiness is in transformation and not in acquisition. Happiness through action, through power, is only sensation, and as sensation soon whether there is craving for more and more. For the hope of tomorrow, you sacrifice today, but happiness is ever in the now. To live happily is to live without hope. Experience is always interrupted according to the conscious or unconscious conditioning of the mind. But we are not living, we are always pursuing death, the past or the future. Living is the greatest revolution. Next, if you know you are experiencing God, then that God is the projection of your hopes and illusions. The more you fight a habit, the more life you give to it. Habit is a dead thing. Don't fight it. The mind is the result of the past, of time. Thought is the product of many yesterdays. There is help everywhere for a man who is alert, but many of us are asleep too. Everything about us respect to a particular teacher or book, and that is our problem. Next, if thought frees itself from the past, it ceases to be thought. Thinking is always conditioned. There is no such thing as freedom of thought. The first step towards freedom is the understanding of bondage. A still mind is not the product of will, of discipline, of the various practices to subject desire. Thank you.